Mojo, come. Yes. Good boy. And now point and say lay, and then put your hand kind of in front and say stay. And now take a few steps back, and then walk back to him. Up. So So lay, stay, and then walk a couple steps away, and then come back, and then say yes if he doesn't break. Good. Awesome. Mojo, come. Yes. Call him.
Mojo, come.
There we go. There you go. There. Excellent.